Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing the Samsung The Movingstyle Essential 32-inch 4K UHD Smart Monitor. I've been looking through the internet and analyzing its specifications, features, and overall value. And if you're looking for a display that combines the functionality of a 4K monitor, a smart TV, and a portable entertainment center, this is one of the most unique products Samsung has released. Don't forget to hit the link below for the best price. The biggest feature is the height-adjustable rolling stand. Unlike traditional monitors that stay fixed on your desk, the Movingstyle Essential is designed to move with you. Thanks to its sturdy weighted base and hidden wheels, you can easily roll it from your office to the living room, bedroom, kitchen, or anywhere else in your home without unplugging multiple devices or setting up another screen. The stand is also highly adjustable. You can raise or lower the height, tilt, swivel, and even pivot the display to match your preferred viewing angle. Whether you're sitting at a desk, relaxing on the couch, standing while working, or watching content in portrait mode, the monitor adapts to your needs. Picture quality is another major highlight. The 32-inch 4K UHD display delivers sharp details, vibrant colors, and excellent clarity, making everything from movies and YouTube videos to productivity tasks and photo editing look fantastic. The high resolution also provides plenty of workspace for multitasking. Since this is a smart monitor, you don't always need a computer connected. Built-in smart TV apps let you stream popular services directly from the monitor, allowing you to enjoy movies, TV shows, and live content without needing an external streaming device. Samsung's NQM AI processor further enhances the experience by intelligently optimizing picture quality. AI Picture Optimizer automatically adjusts image settings to improve sharpness, color, and overall viewing quality, depending on the content you're watching. Gamers will appreciate the built-in gaming hub. It gives access to cloud gaming services, allowing you to enjoy supported games without requiring a gaming PC or console. Combined with the beautiful 4K display, it's an excellent feature for casual gaming and entertainment. The built-in speakers also eliminate the immediate need for external audio equipment. They provide clear sound for streaming, video calls, and everyday media consumption, keeping the overall setup clean and clutter-free. Another useful feature is SmartThings integration, allowing the monitor to work with compatible smart home devices. It becomes more than just a display by fitting into Samsung's connected home ecosystem, adding extra convenience for users already invested in smart home technology. Visually, the monitor stands out with its elegant white finish, cylindrical support column, and rounded base. The minimalist design looks modern and blends naturally into almost any room, making it feel more like stylish furniture than a typical computer monitor. After reviewing everything the Samsung The Movingstyle Essential offers, it's clear this product is designed for users who value flexibility as much as performance. The rolling adjustable stand, beautiful 4K UHD display, smart TV apps, AI-powered picture optimization, gaming hub, SmartThings compatibility, built-in speakers, and premium design combine to create a truly versatile entertainment and productivity solution. So should you buy it? If you want a monitor that can easily move around your home while also functioning as a smart TV and productivity display, then yes, I think the Samsung The Movingstyle Essential is an excellent choice. Its unique mobility, premium features, and sleek design make it one of the most versatile smart monitors currently available. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.